Okay, guys, welcome to our last session of the Free Forex course journey. So it's like this session is gonna be very short. It's not gonna be showing you how to trade. It's about risk management, né? So let's try to pay attention so that we can understand the risk against Forex. So let me share the platform so we can see a way forward. So okay, guys, here now we're gonna be talking about the risk management. Yeah. So we're gonna be talking about risk management. So on risk management, let's try to pay attention, especially let's focus on the lot sizes. Let's focus on the lot sizes. This one is not the one that I need. Let's do like this, guys. I want to show you risk management, because many people, they think okay, here is just an easy thing. You just come and take money and walk away. So they end up over trading or over risking, which is not well, because if it doesn't work on you, already your account is gonna be blue. So let's open another demo account and start checking up. We're having a demo funded 10K there. So let's try to do something so that you can see the importance of risk management. Let's go to gold, and then let's try to scalp gold so that you can be able to see that what are the, let's switch to 1 minute time frame. 5 minutes ish. Let's check the spread. So before pinning a trade, check the spreadsheet. The spread. You know, the spread is the gap or the difference between the BK 5 minutes. The spread is fine. So check. I'm buying. Né? Minimum lot size. I want to place 2 trades. Ish. Why is not buying? Okay, one with minimum lot size, and then another one with 0, what I increase the lot size to 0.68 ish. Instead of buy, let's open a buy. I want a buy. Okay, buy, and then free margin. So guys, on how to blow a forex account, kindly check the free margin here. Where's the free margin? The free margin here. So you don't have to check the balance, because many brokers or other brokers, they don't offer negative balance. So they can't leave you to trade with the negative balance here. So you're outfield. I think you understand. So many people, they keep checking, I'll blow my account once I reach a loss of 10K or 9K, which is not. You will blow your account once this free margin it's fulfilled. By this way, free margin is the money that is left for you to handle the trades. It's the money that is left for you to place more trades. So this money is preventing your trades in the market. That's why gold, when Nasdaq, they take a lot of free margin, because it trades like it's very risky. So that's why you find that you can't trade Nasdaq using a small account. It needs at least 500, 400 going there. But then 100 rand, you can't trade Nasdaq unless you're trading micro indices. So this money, free margin, is the money that you have to keep checking always when you are trading, especially on derivative. You don't blow an account when your loss is 9K, but you blow your account once this money is fulfilled. Mostly the brokers, they don't offer negative balance trading. So Veracity, sometimes it can offer you a negative balance. You can be trading or running to a negative balance of 4K, but the free margin is the thing that you have to keep an eye, important thing. Yeah. So if you check the lot size here, I'm having a lot size just 0.68 here, I'm having a 0.01. So if you check, you see this one, this trade, it's running in a loss of 6 rand, approximately to 6 rand. This one running 300. Remember, you make profits once you bid and the ask price is above because I bought. You see? So those people who need money, like they mostly scalp in such a way they increase lot size. So let's take, maybe we can see the market should be able to buy, maybe to buy and arrive around this level when we are scalping. You're scalping, or maybe the market will buy until this level. If it's at that level, it like 2.2. So what if the market, before going there, it comes below and then it goes below this previous low and then it starts going up? At the end of the time, we find that when maybe you're just using a 1,000 rand account, and then at the end of the day it blows you before it goes up, and then mostly after being blown, the market is it's likely to follow your prediction. Like what? So you have to think twice. Okay, if I risk more, what if the market doesn't favor me that time? Like what? So it's very best for you to wait to enter the trade, the risking trade. So let's say maybe let's say this is our support. Let me this is, maybe it's our support level. Nah? So don't buy here. Wait for the market to come inside this zone so that you can risk more, or it breaks below the zone so that you can be able to buy more. So don't buy in the middle of nowhere. Wait for the market to come in your support, refill the support, and then you buy from there. If it's a true support, and then at the end of the day you want. Because check this. You see now, let me insert this. I want to show you simple things that many people in a day. We can see the market is obeying this level. Check what's happening. The loss that is running there before it even goes with the buy direction, or before even it goes to the support level. So the risk thing, wait for the market to come inside the support so that you can be able to place many buys as you can. And then whatever, even though it breaks your support level, you lose the less. Check, calculate. If the market moves from there to there, check the market. If it moves from here to here, it will a lot of money. Like if I'm using a real trading account, so it's best for you to wait for the market. Check 418 pips. So it's very best for you to overtrade once your market is in the key level, because if so, like one of this one is just running my 10 run, 11 run. Why? Because of the lot size 0.01 minimum. But then this one I overtraded, but then check how much is running. 7 clip, 700 loss. That one is too much. So the best thing is to wait for the market to come inside your support, and then you scalp, you buy. Like what? Because the moment when here you are out of the game, it might even blow your side, that side. So okay, here's NAS. Let's scalp NAS and see. I want to show you that scalping sometimes it's very a short down run. And then what do? Check the time first. What time is it? And then you check the time. Okay, will the candle reject? This is 21 past. Then you do this. You do this. Then you do this. You do this. This is Nasdaq. So by the moment, if you want to sell in Nasdaq, maybe let's say maybe you are scalping, you want to catch the market trend. You wait for the green candle to approach a close so that you can be able to sell. Time it gives you a green candle, if you're willing to sell it, so you can be able to wait for the market for that candle to close so that you can be able to sell. So if you check 1 minute, yes, our 1 minute. I waited for a 5 minutes candle to close. This is 5 minutes. Yeah, it is with fasting. Like it's fast scalping. So by the moment you see profit, it depends on your target. So you can keep closing. But then this one was just showing you how to enter the trades. But then let's keep scalping more trades. To check the current run, this PC is opening opposite direction trades. There is even a buy there. I don't know where this buy comes from. So okay, if you check now, we have to wait for our working. I open a buy mistake there, so it's gonna cause abandon. It's that I used 5 minutes. They're currently running into profits, and then we still have to hold a little bit and see the close of this candle, because our prediction is to see a red candle after this one. So since it's 5 minutes minimum bearish run, I have to wait for another a red candle after this one. So you check what time is it going to close. We are still left with 2 minutes that side. So let's wait. I want to show you something, guys. Check the candle, what's going to happen with the candle when it closes. This is 5 minutes time frame. You'll see it will go down. Let's just wait for it to close so that we can buy. We can close our scalping. Like what said, then you can see now we can close if we want to. Check how much made fast scalping. Then you can close the scalp, it's a scalp. Then at the end of the day, you want to trade there. And then here's gold. It's promising. It's paying there. If you check size, so you see if you're scalping using minimum lot size, sometimes you don't do it, and then 500, then you close everything, and then I'll also, by mistake, it was also paying, then I have to come and close it again. I only close with profit. So scalping sometimes is best for you. So this one is still gonna go down, and then we'll keep doing like this. That was our buy. Do like this, do like this. We'll do like this, we'll do like that. So guys, sometimes you can fund 20, maybe 200 and try to scalp and see if you win. And you can make a lot of money on scalping. We'll close our buy there with 40 rands. 40 rands gone, profit saved. And then we'll hold these ones. We're closing soon. So it's best for you guys to check the time. Before you place trades, because a candle, it's very strong when it comes to its closing. So now this is waving 1 minute, this 5 minutes candlestick started. So obviously don't keep going up for 5 minutes, never. So let's just relax. Now I'm in a loss of 800. Check, it's 800, then decreasing to 600, and then back to 800. Let's just hold it, see the end of the game. So scalping sometimes, guys, for bonus dark, use minimum lot size, because if you use a high lot size, it will kill you in case you're not favored. 400 profits, okay. Our loss is decreasing profits. Some trades are getting to profits, and then we check 1 minute, check the order flow of the candle, right? This is what we're looking for. And then you see how you catch the trend, guys. Then now we're in 100 loss, then profits, then we're still going down. Then you see now we're in profit. Other trades are in profits, all in profits. You see, and then what do? 400 profits. We start closing before we lose some trade. You see, all trades are in profit, closing. It close while it's going down. And then now we're still in loss. We're left with a loss of 40 rands. So we can wait for some few minutes so that we can close. So at the end of the time, I want to show that you can make 3,000 in less than 15 minutes using only 2 candles. So first check the spread, and then check the trend, and then you scalp using minimum lot size, and then you can use micro analysis if 200 and see how you will go with your account. Then now I'm in a loss of 35 rands. Even if I want to, I can close the loss of 35 rands. It's nothing, but then let's wait and close with profits. I still see another candle. I can predict, let's check the time. Oh, that's why it's rejecting. So if you can check, go back to 5 minutes, this candle is rejecting that side because of the time that we're having there, but then we don't care of its rejection. Let me add 2 trades. This CFD Nasdaq. I see it's going up the market run. So funded the account with this trade became mistake. I got 10K the demo, then made a profit of 1.2, including this trade, because I opened it became a mistake, and then at the end of the day 800. So meaning, once you make this profit, make sure that you manage your losses to be less than 800. Now, even the market tells you, make sure that it doesn't charge your deposit, but that it charges the profits that you've made. Simple. I have to make sure that my loss doesn't pass. I don't accept losses that are more than 800 rands. So this one is 800 loss. Check to relax before you end up making or accepting necessary losses. Are still going to go down there. So the thing that I was showing you mostly here, it's about risk management. Many people, they can even find 3K at the end of the day, they blow it all of it. So you can scalp. And then check the free margin, it's running 6K. And then I don't have to hold a loss that is going to be more than my free margin because my account will be wiped. Let's relax and see. Problem is that our 30 minutes candlestick has closed and then another one is starting. That's why we're having such rejections. Let's just hold and relax. Just hold and relax. Our loss is from 1.3. It's just that our thing is it's running out of time, but let's just hold it. See. So guys, it's very important. And then let me show you a strategy of scalping on gold. First strategy, check gold. Where's gold? First strategy, while we're still waiting for that one, special 1 hour indeed. By the time these candles, they are rejecting, once you see candles starting to do these rejections and then you wait, then you place trade from 6 minutes to when we're having 6 minutes. Let's scalp this one and check. They are busy having rejections. So what do we do? Check on gold. We buy. But I want to show you immediately the market is okay. Let's maybe switch to 15. They are rejecting, they are busy rejecting something like this. So you can make a lot of money. You wait for the market, for the candle to open. The moment it pushes up, when it's near to close, maybe when we're having 4 minutes left to close, then you sell, you sell, you sell. Then at the end of the day, I'm making fast profit freely. So if you check here, I didn't even analyze. Check the candle, and then I checked how it is, and then trading opposite. Scalping. You just hold. Once you see profit, you close. Once you see profit, you close. Once you see profit, you close. This is the scalping strategy on rejections for gold and to reject. And then just that during these types of candles, let me show you this type of candles. Then it's where we risk it. I wanted to show you the end story of our gold that is going to be paying soon, but unfortunately the gold is very slow. The gold is very slow. So guys, once you place trade and you are in profits and you are still willing to hold, make sure that you lock profits by setting stop loss to be on the profit side. Yeah. Okay, let's wait and see. Our goal, let's check. We're having a loss of 1.7. Oh, it's gold. This one now is called check gold. It's run. I have to show you. Continue with its journey. Just that the time is very important to check the time, because the time is the one that is controlling the candlesticks. So the order flow against time is very much important. It's gold. We're still also even gold. Yeah. So like what time is it? And then, but then mostly it works once you have even 6 minutes left. Then you keep buying. The moment it pushes down, you trade opposite. 2 hour support level there. And then check what's going to happen on that candle, only if we don't have an event, because that would tell it clock. So I didn't even check the economic calendar. And this thing is running me out of time now. It's telling me. So now is the right time to buy gold. If you're scalping, you buy gold, you buy gold, you buy gold, you buy gold, you buy early identify, then you buy, then check how the candle reacting. One now is starting to push up. The moment now you are in profits, you are getting to profits, because also the spread was killing you, pushing up. And then check what happens. Those trades that I was placing many trades, but it was denied. Then they are also in profit. They're getting up. They still has to go up. Let's check Nasdaq. Nasdaq is still stuck. It has to go down, but then we generated holding us from going down. Okay. Let's see the end game of these things. So I say, guys, on Forex needs working patient, because without patient, you end up doing silly mistakes. Just imagine accepting a necessary loss, after closing it goes down like so hard, then you'll be even feeling like you can cry. True. The guys, I don't know what's up. The session ended. So anyway, guys, I will upload all these sessions that we have on YouTube that we had, and then I will upload them on YouTube. So for those who missed some of them, then feel free to get them on the YouTube. So I will share the link, guys. I'm sure that most of you already know the YouTube channel, so make sure that you keep it up on checking it. Sometimes I won't even update you that there is a video. I will just keep sending videos there, so that those who are serious, you'll be able to access the videos. So anyway, guys, if I do the free courses, I'll try to also update you again.